It is actually quite freezing out here, but when you're someone who typically drives away from cold weather or hot weather, when you have home on wheels, you find like your perfect weather. But this time, this was unexpected. And we knew it was going to get a little cold, but not snow like this. But you can't help but, when you see this, get really a creative itch. You want to go out and take photos and videos and just capture this beauty. And also the fact that it's the truck's pretty much first time seeing snow, especially that it is the first time seeing snow since we built it out. You just want to come out here and capture this beauty. And while my fingers are frozen now, my nose is red, I'm cold, I'm just loving seeing this snow. All the pine cones that I photographed yesterday with a touch of snow on it are all covered. Oh man, it's just beautiful. The sun's coming out a bit more. It's making for some pretty light hitting the snow and make it sort of shine a bit more on some of the, against the green of the trees and whatnot, looking really pretty. It's been a while since we actually posted a long form video, and last time you saw us we were actually in our van, and we're in our truck now. Built this out last year. There's a 5-episode series on the whole build out, but for the winter we've been sort of avoiding snow, and now we find ourselves in snow, about 700 feet elevation. For the winter we've been making our way from Arkansas through Texas, and now we're in Arizona. It's been a while since we've been out west. I mean, 2 years ago we were in Wyoming and Colorado, but besides that, further than that, it's been 4 years. Summer of 2021, we were out in Washington. I'm trying to remember where else we were. I don't think we were in Arizona quite at that point, but Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, we were all exploring out here with our first van, seeing sights like crazy, moving around like crazy, and travel's been a little bit different since then. A lot slower, enjoying the areas. Also, with the gas on the truck, we've got to move a little bit slower, but we're excited to be back out here out west. I think that's all for today's video. My fingers, like I said earlier, are absolutely frozen, very, very cold, but I'm glad I was able to take this morning to come out here and just capture this absolute beauty.